Hey guys, David here, and there's a little tool that I've been using a lot lately online, and basically it's called Search Triggers. I don't know if maybe you've ran into it, maybe around the internet, but basically I've been using this a lot, probably in the past few months. And I first ran into the tool. I discovered it probably about 2 or 3 months ago. I think it was like maybe May or June, and I started using it, and it was pretty fun to kind of play around with. And basically, if you don't know what Search Triggers is, it's kind of it's not really a keyword research tool, but it kind of gives you the titles for your blog post and your YouTube videos so that you can rank much easier using those titles than if you're going for like a very competitive keyword. So basically, a lot of times you have, if you use any research keyword tool, that kind of gives you how much searches a keyword has. And basically you have these over here. So you have your searches kind of over here, how many searches. But then you have your blog posts over here, and it's kind of getting everything to meet in the middle. And a lot of times that has to do with your title and using a title where you don't have to do a lot of off page SEO, and it's much easier to rank for with using the one blog post. And I've noticed a big improvement in getting searches as far as people finding my blog through searches using this small little tool that I've been using. And I use it pretty much for everything. I use it pretty much anything that has a title. I kind of use it for it, and to give it a title. And basically it finds little niche sections or areas that you can blog about, and it's going to be related to whatever keyword that you want, but it's going to be kind of a more targeted, more niche, and it kind of tells you if you should write about that or not. And it uses these little green, yellow, red. Red means these little circles. Red means it's very competitive. It's going to be very hard to rank for that keyword. Yellow means it may take a little bit of work. You might be able to rank for it, but it's still going to be fairly competitive. And green and blue means that it's going to be fairly easy to rank for. And pretty much anytime I need a title, I use search triggers and trying to figure out a title for blog posts, YouTube videos. I even do it for articles that I do. And I use search triggers, and usually I tend to rank fairly easy for those keywords that I use for the titles. And the other great thing about search triggers, which if you know Victor, I've kind of met Victor mostly through videos and hangouts. He does a lot of hangouts during the week and everything. And if you ever get on a hangout, you realize he's very knowledgeable. He's been around the internet probably since the beginning, I think. And he knows a lot about SEO, about keywords and different things like that. And just through the hangouts, you can learn a lot. I've learned a lot through watching some of the replays of the hangouts he does. And he does these pretty much several times a week. And just by getting search triggers, you get these invites to these hangouts, and you can attend the hangouts. And basically, sometimes he brings on people that use search triggers, and they kind of go over what they're doing. And other times he just kind of teaches what search triggers is for. So not only do you get like just the software part of it, you also get kind of a virtual classroom where you can learn a lot more about SEO and about, using search triggers, keywords, and a lot of different things like that. And I'll be honest, about an hour ago I was watching one hangout that he did very recently. I think it was yesterday as of the filming of this video. And I learned a lot through about 40 minutes. I learned a lot just by listening to Victor. And I think he had a guest on, Scott, which I think he's like the #1 users of search triggers. And so you should check it out. I don't know exactly the pricing. The pricing may change. I don't know exactly what the pricing is. But I know it's a very new tool. It's out of beta now, so it's been beta tested. And I've had a lot of success. I love using search triggers, and it's one of my favorite tools as far as blogging, coming up with titles and keywords to help me rank my blogs. Anyway, you should check it out, and this is David out. Bye.